You have a Samsung Galaxy S23. This will work for the S23 Plus as well as the S23 Ultra. You basically have an issue where your screen is frozen or is unresponsive. Maybe you're not able to like swipe and whatnot. Anyway, a fix for this is typically pretty easy. All you got to do is force restart your Samsung Galaxy, okay? So how to do that is very simple. It's a 2-key combination. It's the power button, volume down, power. You want to press and hold both buttons and do not let go until you see the Samsung logo appear, okay? So we'll do it together. Volume down, power. Ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons, do not let go. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Just keep on holding until we see a Samsung logo appear. So I'm still holding on both buttons here. Volume down, power. Still holding. This typically takes about 20 seconds plus. I'm still holding. Oh, it just vibrated. There's a Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go and let it boot up normally. And once it boots back up, you should have a working screen. If not, force to restart again. Okay? Good luck, guys.